Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Whew, it's a little brick out here. It's a little bit cold, but I wanted to do this video outside. So let's talk about gift ideas for gardeners. Not the garden, but the gardener, the person who actually do the work, the person who do all the labor of love in the garden. Most of the times when I watch these gift guide videos, they have some good gifts, but those gifts goes to the garden itself, like a pair of garden gloves. You use it in the garden, or seed starting kits, or grow lights, things like that, or cubbies that you carry your tools and stuff in. Let's do this a little bit different, okay? So I have 5 gift ideas. I mean, they're not extravagant or lavish, but they are very, very important. And the first one is sunscreen. Now, before you cut off or click out this video or roll your eyes or shake your head, listen to what I have to say. You need sunscreen. Every gardener needs sunscreen. You need SPF either in your moisturizer or by itself. Excuse all the noise going around. I live in a city, and I'm close to the airport, so there's everything just going on right now. You need to protect your skin. You need to protect your face, especially, and your neck, guys. Now, we all know, this is proven fact, that the UV rays from the sun can damage your skin and it can cause premature wrinkles. Now, I know we're all going to age and we're all aging every single day, but you don't have to speed up the process by being out here unprotected. Even in the winter time when it's cold outside but the sun is still shining bright, and when you stand in the sun you feel very warm and toasty, even then the UV rays are penetrating your skin, so you have to have a protective barrier over your skin to protect you, to help protect you from the sun. And that goes for a lotion that might carry SPF as well, because as you guys notice, in the summertime I don't wear long sleeve shirts. I just hate to feel like I'm being suffocated. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that I grew up in an island for 14 years, but I don't like long sleeve clothes, even in the wintertime. Like underneath this, I have a short sleeve shirt on. I do not like long sleeves. So that's it. The first gift, and I think it's the most important, is SPF and sunscreen. SPF/sunscreen, it's the same thing. You need it. I need it. I use it on my skin. So that's one. We use our hands for everything, and yes, a lot of us use gloves, but also a lot of us do not use gloves, and we need hand creams. After you finish your garden chores and you wash your hands, you probably use like a regular lotion. Some of us probably just go about our days, and a lot of us have rough hands. I don't have rough hands. I do not fit in that category. My hands are very soft, okay? I use hand creams specifically for your hands. Hand cream, not lotion or body lotion. You need a good hand cream that's very thick and very moisturizing for your hands, because we do a lot with our hands and we have to take care of them. And as a lot of you notice, I always keep a fresh manicure. Always. Like, my hands don't say I'm a gardener. They don't, because I take care of them, and we all should take care of ourselves. I mean, we're doing all these things in our garden. We're taking care of our garden. We're doing the most for it to look amazing. But what about yourself? Like, you have to take care of yourself. Spend time, invest time and money on yourself the same way you do your garden. So a good hand cream is the way to go. Thirdly, a lot of us don't wear glasses in the summertime when the sun is very bright and we're out in our garden. Like, I don't wear glasses. It always falls off, even with the cords that you can keep them on with. I don't wear like glasses. So to combat that, what I wear, if you guys notice, I wear those big brim straw hats. Those are amazing. I highly recommend you invest in one of those big straw hats. I'll try to leave the links for everything I'm speaking of in the description box. I'll try my best if I can still find them. If the links aren't there, that's because I can't find them anymore. But you don't need to, and you don't have to, but these are just ideas I'm giving you. But a big straw hat, that covers and protects your eyes from the bright sunlight. And if you forget to wear your moisturizer with SPF, or you forget to put your SPF on, it also protects your face and your neck. So those hats are very amazing, and I love them. And they strap around the back, so your ponytail can, be left in the back. It don't feel uncomfortable or anything like that. So a good hat is the way to go. All right. The next thing are garden magazines, of course, especially in the wintertime, especially when we have those winter blues and we're craving to go outside to work in our gardens and to do things, but we can't because there's snow outside or the ground is frozen or it's really, really cold. Garden magazines, those make time pass very quickly. Those They give us ideas and inspiration for the next season. So those are good to help our brain expand and think outside the box. So garden magazines are amazing way to go to think of different ideas, different concepts, and just different things for your garden, things you might want to try that you probably never thought you could do. But you know, certain garden magazines, they give you step-by-step how to achieve certain things. So garden magazines are a great way to keep our mind off of the winter blues and to think about next spring and all the beautiful things we want to do. Last but not least are gift cards or money in a card. If you can't think of anything to give a gardener, just give them a gift card with money on it or cash in a greeting card, you know, so they can buy what they want, what they desire. Because most of the times, let's be honest here, and I'm not trying to sound ungrateful, sometimes we get gifts and we're like, I don't know about this. But you still say thank you, you take it and you move on because you're not ungrateful. You still appreciate the fact that that person took time out of their day to think about you and to even go out and buy that gift. But a lot of the times we don't even use most of the gifts that we get because it's not our taste, it's not our style. It's sitting in the closet or in a drawer and it collects dust. So a good gifting guide is a gift card. You can never go wrong with a gift card. We can buy what we want, or that person that you give the gift card to, they can buy what they want and what they desire. So those are my 5 gifting ideas. Nothing fancy, nothing spectacular, but I think those are amazing gift ideas, guys. So if you have any other gift ideas that does not pertain the garden itself but the gardener, leave them down in a comment, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I noticed that a lot of you have been watching my videos but you guys have not been subscribed to my channel. So if you don't want to miss an upload from me, subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Until next video, I'll see you guys. Bye.